Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I want to share with you one of our favorite new toys that keeps our toddler completely occupied for hours. These magnetic tiles from PLAYVIBE are so awesome. I love that they come in this box and they fit so well together. He loves making all different kinds of shapes and they're so colorful. Not only does my son love them, I actually find them a lot of fun too. We love making houses for his various dinosaurs and other animals, and I love that it helps his patience with putting things together because sometimes they fall apart, and it is so awesome to see him learning this. He can do so many different things with these. The options are endless. I love when he makes little houses for his toys. It's so cute to watch, and when we make little cubes and have him match colors, it's just so great to see him learning every day, and these help us get some other things done while he is playing. He never gets bored of these.
We absolutely love this set of magnetic tiles. We spend hours playing with them, and I love that it occupies my son for longer than just a few minutes with his short attention span. These are the perfect magnetic blocks. It is a great starter set or an addition to a set you already have. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.